Factories shutting down, production, delays everywhere.
Semiconductors are the new oil, and we're running dry.
The supply chain is fragile. Every delay hits harder.
Cyber threats and chip shortages were exposed.
Climate risks. No talent pipeline. What's the backup?
Geopolitical shifts strain Asia's tech backbone. Rising climate costs. Cybersecurity threats grow daily.
Access denied.
Where's the talent to rebuild? But even in silence, signals return, teams re-engage, conversations restart. SEMI bridges gaps across borders, industries, and challenges. It connects the ecosystem when it matters most. Synchronized actions, shared purpose. Across Malaysia, Vietnam, Singapore, Thailand, the Philippines, etc. The challenges are real, but we're stronger together.